Now, Omushimiwa, Twachiro Sobo Governor, you are a member of UDA, or you are a member of Jubilee?
I think stands now. I was a member of UDA.
Okay.
I am a member of UDA. Henceforth, I can't tell.
Okay.
But time will tell.
Time will tell.
From where I sit, in 2022, I supported him, Mheshimiwa Shekel Macho.
Oh, okay.
After the last.
All right.
Na didn't I got abantu wa
mingi. Ini won it.
Eh?
Ini won.
Kabisa.
Ndiwe.
Bono. Kwa woto kabu. But fortunately enough, Macho akaiwa OCS. Ndere okwana kurwa nye bantu bayigwe nde mbaba sekucho kumbule mwapo kuna romo be osenere nene. Ikasongo ngereke kurunga friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yes.
Kikusiba mabatanga yomino no yomino. It cannot be yomino. Anyataka konya ti osatari ko konya.
It is true.
Naso OCS ngaganda baka Nairobi kama congratulations atara basoni. Atara ganonya mbunge. Achikaba interview with the appointment committee. To a call. And they don't make severe. And I know you I gave him.
Somebody you carry.
Kanamo, bas, he took off. He entered office. And after 3 months, I didn't come on you. And then I see you on the road. You told me. Can you tell me that? Mo Pio Michira. I gave him. After 3 months, and he got 6 years ago. I didn't come on you. You want to know the chair appointment again, and himself, actually, let me tell you, education is a very big parastatal, very big one.
It's actually the biggest.
Yeah, it's a very big parastatal. I expected one of you meet one day, and you know, let me tell you, and you know me, I'm a thought orphan. I lost my parents a long time ago. My mother died in 1982. My daddy followed. But people see me karon ko ga mga poko ezengenje nya sa to konye to kiro mo wo inchira to menyete monta ka nelo yo family. Yeah, I come from a well jambo background. Bono incha expected nga majune ngo konya because he knew inchuma tumbata bana man ba kolenga bata bana man ba bandi ba college university babere bandi ba university babere bat campus nimbuate secondary babere primary. Njerimbata very big family. And then the only son, one of our Nini Bolet, and Yasaga, which is okay.
It is okay.
I'm proud of that family. Macho, about 2 years in office. No comeback, no committee member ye Tibet. One. Tarkumbek, Amakubeka, Abaka, get to us over. Guy Poltegan. Karoka Technical Institute, akabeka bantata. Diati rimbanero. Kerbogieta yere muina. Chinyingi, you name them. About what she got and call it. And then I kumurira credit. And it's me. Majawar would make a jacket Kuriki in 2020 year in Corona in 2021. I want to money Ruyan, he cannot even fail me, but he didn't arrange my MC. Now what Musara, now what Jarawan. Now I end up a Kiango, I want to Mochango, who to Narian Punk. But I never called about it. But the Kera soil of Syria, where am I think an engine but I want to carry a coin, Canonia, Kumbekana, and Anora, and Sinoji will come in company. Now I carry Remote and I really don't want a fishing cake. He left office. O Chile, Kera office. Ne claro vecina con gana matanga Rosio Muhammad Buam. Gama somere ke bungo ko ngaba garatisa na me bungo kianda na ikomi aga tabanga na bakamura beneri baga ini bungo ten na bakira na riba makara bantu wasi erenga amaya na kuwa mano bar mara so kuje na kwa renge UDA no nare. But I got a very bad notion, and I'm telling you, I'm not from where I sit. When these two years in office, when you're running access, nani mako nyoba bantu ga ko na ngama chwa ko nya banyari ba no no tu acha kama no mo njari nga na chwa ko nya nothing like that ani mo nyalba ni ndo nyote gas ndo nyowe to ko oyine timet lakini ndo nyote gas na ro right to kurwa sana na babu professor gech vice chancellor and the rest nember igonche ekina kikiragere because politics are about your interest. You personally, is your interest get that? You go on for now. I want to be very fair. I'm not supporting much.
Okay.
For now. More have I decided to support, but let me say, Simbana the current governor. I don't want to work with the governor in Ningote. Nara supported Mano Kurkondali. Ntaraje Simba. Kamu supporting come on sana. Yeah. But nere ngai kasikete nganyora I'm sorry. No mwi wane kora mama wana rote nyerba. Nganyora atuarte notion ye endiri and allow me to use it like that. Yani aruche ngakero yoko mo support yoko matebi integere kwa na matanga kete inside kwa the function kete iko my trend we must facilitate you and no you wait. Arra nkaro number 1 about the assumption yimbenga nechiwe sanga ntegete kurwa swali. Number 2, you want to desperate. In any case, in touch it, I can't move. My son, my brother, I've been in politics for a while. One of you, and I think he started because the current governor is pushing to the corner to go into politics. Actually, it was not his hope. Yeah, I fight back. Gaji kai kan karuso hopunga oyo intogo sukani uchiana nando ndinaro tinda na abu I think abu abere machugunoi namunara very close because nyandiricha we worked with him in 2013 kira tometu as a coordinator ya transition kira ko re transition akaida na back to obo commission whatever ale by then ngare nge DCC Deputy County Commissioner na ila na pake kwa matu kama kegeri mati yangare internal security angaje kuwa Irubu County Commissioner akairu na transfer here kana yangu nyakoteba I wish him well no mwana uyo ndali I wish him well
Sure.
Are you saying that no ino mwaka macho I wish him well the only thing kule ndaiga nche miaka yane sina kireba no and abantu bamindo what other than Israel baka want think wara whether I'm supporting them or not think wara zaidi tali ngumurama zaidi yerende zaidi sino mwana sindi yereni murama ninge problem no mwana sindi ababande tinkuba nonye no ndali no makese lakini kumara no mwe wana daktari na ninki kumara we don't fight are you saying that ono tuyangiche yo koro kusimba